Hello, it's me, Craig Spicer, again with the Wood County Park District here at Scarecrow Alley at the Wood County Historic Museum in Bowling Green. And we had some really fantastic scarecrows this year. Thank you to everyone who participated in the 19th annual Scarecrow contest. Our judges made some comments to me. They said they really had their work cut out for them this year particularly. But we only have 4 prizes, 4 sponsors, fantastic sponsors. So without further ado, here are the winners. In 3rd place, sponsored by Intech IT Solutions, Aluma, Belle of the Fall. In 2nd place, sponsored by Catherine's Insurance Agency, Lily. In 1st place, sponsored by R.K. Miller Insurance Agency, Ida B. Drillin. And rounding everything out, our 16 and under Scarecrow contest winner is
The Conquistador.
Congratulations, winners! You will be contacted directly and your prizes will be mailed straight to you. Everybody else, whether you're a participant or not, come on down to Scarecrow Alley before the pickup begins starting this upcoming Monday, October 26th. Until then, come check out the Scarecrows and everybody have a fantastic festive holiday season. Check out wcparks.org and all of our social media platforms to find out about more programs that are coming your way.